Hello friends, my name is Chetan Wadadia and today I am going to tell you about identities for class 8, 9th and class 10. These identities are actually useful not only for class 8, 9, 10 but for your whole educational career. Yes, these are very useful guys. And what are these identities and why we are learning that I am going to show you in this video. So let us start without wasting much time. Let me tell you, the first identity is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I know this is our identity and we know guys. So why we are learning that and how we got from this actually these are shortcut guys. These identities are actually shortcut that we are learning. So when terms will be very big at that time, these shortcuts will help us to solve this big terms question with big terms easily. So how this answer came, that first of all I am going to show you. Actually this is a plus b multiplied with a plus b. So instead of this, can I write a plus b whole square? Yes, here we are writing a plus b whole square. And what is this? Actually this is a binomial, two terms. So binomial, and this is also a binomial, multiplying a binomial with binomial. So we are going to multiply that. First of all, a we are going to multiply with this two. So a into a will give you a square. Then a into b will give you ab. Then this b also we have to multiply with both this term. So b into a, ab, and then b into b will give you b square. Now these two are like terms. So a square ab plus ab, so plus 2ab, and here plus b square. So you can see this is our answer. When we multiply a plus b into a plus b two times, then we are getting this. So instead of doing all these calculations, directly they had given us this answer. This is shortcut. When somebody tells you to find out 2x plus 3y whole square, so instead of multiplying directly with this identity, I can give you the answer. First of all, what we had done, square of first term. So here our first term was 2x. So first we need to do square. Then 2 into first term into second term. So 2, then first term into second term, and then plus b square. So directly 3y square. So your answer will be 4x square plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12xy plus 9y square. So directly we are getting answer. We don't have to multiply like this, a plus b into a plus b, or if you want to multiply and check, you can check that if you will multiply 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, at that time also you will get the same answer guys. So these are actually shortcuts. So these shortcuts are called identities. And why we are learning? It will make our calculation very simple, and that's why we are learning this. Okay, so these are identities. I am going to show you 10 identities. I think this is identity number 1, a minus b whole square. So directly you will get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Means one time a plus b into a plus b, so a plus b whole square. One time a minus b into a minus b, so a minus b whole square. Third one, a minus b into a plus b. Different. At that time also they had find out one answer, and directly they had kept that as our identity, a square minus b square. This is very important guys. Please keep this in mind. And we can do vice versa also. Vice versa means sometimes they will give us this, and then we have to move towards this. So sometimes they will give you answer as our question, and we have to find out this. That also will come. Now moving to the fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. When first terms are same and second terms are different at that time, so directly at that time your answer will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. As I told you, these are shortcuts. You don't have to multiply like this, multiplying a binomial. Directly you are getting this answer. Okay, so when questions will come, just you need to put up the things inside this and you will get the answer. I think these 4 identities are in class 8, but this is very useful for class 9th and 10th also, guys. Now after that, from 5th identity, you will come, this identities will come in class 9th, and these are also very much important. Now square of 3 terms, guys, square of 3 terms, a plus b plus c whole square. So directly what you need to do, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. If you want to multiply, you can multiply trinomial with a trinomial, means a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. If you will multiply, you will get the same answer, guys. Okay, identity number 6, that is a plus b. Now q, up till 8th class we had learned a plus b whole square. Now q, so at that time answer will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If you want to take out common, your answer can be, you can write down in this way also, or you can write down this way also, a cube plus b cube plus, now you can take out 3ab common. So in bracket you will get a plus b. Both these are correct. Okay, but generally in normal sums you need to use this one. Okay, moving towards the next question or next identity, sorry, a minus b whole cube. So at that time a cube. Now here you need to keep in mind about signs. Generally students are making mistake in signs, so please keep this in mind. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus at last plus 3ab square b. If you will take out common, so second form also you will get, you can write down like this also, a cube minus b cube. Now take out minus 3ab common. When you are taking minus 3ab common, this sign will change and here you will get a minus b. Both these answers are correct. Okay guys, now identity number 8, that is x cube, or let me write down next, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So you can write down this as x plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Generally students are making mistake in this, so please guys, please by heart this properly. Now in class 9th also, here they had given identity up till here, but 2 more identities are there. They had given that identities as sums, so that also you need to by heart. Here you can see a plus b whole cube is there, but if they are giving you a cube plus b cube, at that time directly you will get a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b. When plus is there, only at this place you need to give minus, and when minus is there, a cube minus b. At that time you need to write down a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b. So this is your identity number 10. These identities are actually shortcut, guys. Still, if you are having any doubt, guys, you can join me on my free live lectures every day, morning 9 to 10 AM on Unacademy app. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with the mobile number, select the goal name is changed, now it's class 9, 10th, IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation, NTSC. Now they had added this in front, and then you need to use this referral code Galaxy Coaching to join in my free classes. So please use Galaxy Coaching to join my free classes, guys. And for plus also you can use my code Galaxy Coaching, that will give you 10% discount. After registration you need to search my name Chetan Wadadia, and then click on the follow button near my name or my profile. One follow button will be there. You just need to click on that, so you will get notification of all my classes. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.